It's just praise for Jude. I think he's unbelievable. Jude is a good friend. We had 2 good years together in Dortmund, so we keep in touch and everything, and he's such a good guy. I've said it so many times. We had so much fun together. So and I'm not surprised that he scores 2 goals today and performs the way he does. The only thing is that he gets sometimes I think he gets a bit too much of critic because he don't score enough goals or whatever it is, and I think he don't really deserve it because I think he's one of the best in the world, and he's a midfielder. He still scores goals. He still managed to dribble every single player on the field. So it's just praise for Jude. I think he's unbelievable, and England is lucky. Madrid is lucky because everybody would want a Jude in the team.